What's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Welcome to Repair Mondays. I got another video for you. Door handle on a Sonata 2016. This thing's supposed to fucking work. It's supposed to lock and unlock the car. It don't work. I'm gonna show you guys how to fucking replace this thing. Let's do it.
You've got something about you. You've got something got a thunder and rock and roll.
Alright, well, as hard as this may seem or look, it really isn't. You can do this in under 5 minutes, not a problem. This is our new door handle. This is an OEM replacement, obviously. This is under warranty. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this really quick. All right, so right there is a cover which covers a bolt. So you just pry that thing off, and there is an 8mm bolt right behind there. So all you do is take out that bolt. It actually doesn't come out, it's actually held in with a retaining clip. So all you do, let me just grab the camera here. So you pull out the handle a little bit and you just pry on your lock cylinder and this thing just pops out. Now this, the lock cylinder is sitting in it on a spline. And what you do is you pull and you pull this thing out. And right in there, you guys can see that there is an electrical connector. You pull the electrical connector out and you put on your new connector. So all you do is you push the black little clip back in, you push your connector back in, and you put your door handle, slap her into place. Let me just grab the camera here, I'll show you guys on the inside here. You guys can see that right inside there is where that lock cylinder sits. So you just line that back up. It should already be lined up because we didn't move it at all. So should all be good to go. You just slap that thing back in there and then put your 8mm bolt back in. So let's do that. Put that back in there. Torque to spec. Put your little cap back on. There you go. Works like a charm. It's doing the long beeps because the key is actually in the vehicle, so, but it's working. There you guys have it. Quick, easy way to replace the door handle on a 2016 Sonata. Actually, it's most of the Hyundai vehicles are actually exactly like this now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to check me out on Patreon, Instagram, Facebook, you name it, I'm there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.